Hi everyone, welcome to this video on SQL Pagination. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you are searching for what is SQL on Google. The search engine doesn't show you all the millions of results on one page. Instead, it displays a limited number of results and gives you the option to navigate through multiple pages. This is done through a process called pagination. And the same concept applies when you are working with large dataset in SQL. When handling thousands or millions of records in database, loading everything at once isn't practical. Instead, you can use SQL pagination to load just the data you need. Pagination can be achieved through offset and fetch next. Offset skips a specific number of rows for previous pages. Fetch next, it limits number of rows written for the current page. Let's view the data inside appointments table. In order to perform the pagination, we need page size and the page number. In first scenario, page number is 1. The first 10 appointments are being retrieved without skipping any records as we are on page 1. In second case, page number is 2. We are skipping the first 10 appointments and retrieving next set of 10 records from 11 to 20.